Okay guys, so what we've done is we've separated these minerals out a little more, and now we are going to look at some physical properties of each group. So when I say physical properties, what I'm talking about is any type of tangible, touchable, seeable, any type of property you can observe about these minerals. And these items, again, are going to be used to test them. So the physical property that we test with glass is its hardness, a mineral's hardness. We use both glass as well as our fingernail to test the hardness. So, can I get the camera to come up here for a second, please? And what I've done is I've separated these minerals and I've tried to get the milky and clear minerals into one group, these three minerals, and we're going to test the hardness of each one of these minerals. So to do that, Mike, I'd like you to take this mineral here and placing the glass plate on the table, hold the glass plate and scratch that glass plate. Oh, that sounds a good one, isn't it? Love that sound. Now, can you see that scratch that's left on that glass plate?
Yes, sir.
Okay, run your fingernail across that and see if it's can you feel it?
Yes.
Okay, that's how you really tell if this left a scratch. Since it did leave a scratch, does that mean that that quartz is harder or softer than glass?
Harder.
Harder is exactly right. Quartz's physical property, that it's harder than glass, is what I like to call its smoking gun physical property. There are lots of physical properties, anything you can hear, touch, taste, anything about a mineral. But there's usually one smoking gun physical property that really tells you what that mineral is. So what we're going to do over the next couple of videos is look at these minerals and determine what the smoking gun physical property is for it so that you can identify the minerals based on that property.